Cornmeal porridge or simmer. So we have the good old Benjamin. Vanilla. To give it good. Spice it up. Then we have our cinnamon powder. And then we gotta put some some fresh nutmegs to go in there. We're making some cornmeal porridge in a hurricane this morning. The power keep on going in and out, so on and off. So I'm trying to make something real fast. We could have very fast because it's still dark outside and it's minutes to 8 where I'm at. See, we're making some cornmeal porridge. So sweetened. If you drink condensed milk, you could use condensed milk, or you could use sugar or sweetener to sweeten your porridge. And as you could see, it's bubbling up. So when it's finished, I'll post another video and show you the finishing product. Hope everyone is safe in this hurricane, and wherever you are, be safe. And if you have to be on the road, be very careful because it's a lot of flooding out there.